Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Right now let's take a look as usual on the gold market. The gold market stands in the retracement that we have discussed. Mostly this is the reaction on completion of some daily targets. So this is ABCD extension, minor target 618 extensions, ABC, bottom, D pattern, monthly pivot resistance 1, also 1618 extension and most pressing swing down here. So this is absolutely normal behavior. This market responds to existence of the resistance area. And actually, to be honest, market already has completed our minimal destination point for this retracement. So we said that market should retest this previous top on the daily time frame, 1218 to 1219 tops. This already has happened yesterday, so market has dropped here downside. So right now is major question whether market will show a slightly lower retracement and complete some intraday targets, or it could turn immediately to the upside and starting action to the next destination point that stands 1255 area. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, I think that we could watch for a couple of important moments. First of all, market right now stands very close to the MACD predictor line, and here some grabber pattern could be formed. So if market will form here the bearish grabber, it will increase chances of completion of this A, B, C top pattern. So yes, the market has completed minor 618 extension. This ABCD shows retracement up. If grabber will be formed, theoretically it will suggest the taking out of these lows. And if this will happen, this will be the next destination point right at 1214 area approximately. It's completion of this ABCD pattern right around confidence support on the 4-hour time frame chart. So also this will be an area of the previous top. It's just $4 below these lows. It's not really significant difference for the gold market. So that's the first scenario that we'll be watching for here. So in fact, this is the same what we said in our weekly research. So keep an eye on this possible ABCD pattern. Alternatively, if you take a look at the hourly chart, market is forming here the butterfly pattern. So already weekly pivot support 1 has been tested. Market stands in upward direction. And if market will not form the grabber here, will move above the weekly pivot point and taken out of this top, it's approximately 1235 area. In this case, guys, also you can see it here as bullish divergence, nicely looking. In this case, guys, it will erase on the 4-hour time frame chart this ABCD pattern, and it will mean that hardly downward action will be continued, and instead of that, market is ready to continue move to the upside immediately. So because action to the upside taken out of this top, this will be not logical for patterns that we have discussed here. I mean this ABCD and the grabber. This will be formed. So this also will be too extended reaction on just minor extension. And action to the upside above the weekly pivot point and taking out, especially taking out of this top, will tell us that market probably is ready to continue move higher right to the 1255 destination point. Because on the daily chart, you can see that market stands in fact in the tight flag consolidation, and flag is a continuation pattern. Yes, it could form another candle inside of this flag and complete and touch the 1214 area, but also this will be no mistake, and this will be also normal action. Market will show the breakout of this flag immediately. Both of action will support overall bullish tendency, and it's nothing curious with that. That's why we just need to keep an eye on some details. I mean the grabber here, to get some signs what to expect, what kind of retracement will be. So that being said, appearing of the grabber here, completion of the grabber will increase chance on the further downward action, completing an ABCD pattern while moving above the weekly pivot point and taking out of this top especially, will mean that upward action is already continuing. It's right to the 1255 area. So, well, let's see how it will turn.